Welcome back to Modern Warrior Project. I'm Shane, and in this video I've got two pretty cool products. Obviously this channel's for preppers, but really these products are for anyone. And on that, I would say everyone is a prepper, whether they really know it or not, or at least they should be at a minimal level. And that's kind of where these two products come in today. In particular, these have to do with power outage. So everyone at some point or another is going to suffer a power outage. I guess if you have a backup generator, then you've planned for that, right? But this is for that specifically, and it has to do with lights. It sucks when you end up with a power outage in the middle of the night, or not the middle of the night because you're asleep, I guess, but you're trying to navigate through your house. It's dark and you don't have any power source, so you're trying to find a flashlight, candles, or whatever it might be. And this is where these two products come in. So first off, I'll talk about this light here. If I can figure out how to turn this thing on. This light here is an amazing new item I just came across. So it's not so much this actual light fixture itself. Instead, it's the bulb that it has. So what this is this bulb in here is a rechargeable light bulb that while it's plugged in your house, it's charging up a battery, and in the event that the power goes out, you've got a little black button here that the power goes out, the bulb goes off. You just come over here, you click this button, and it keeps the light on for a good bit of time because it's been charging the whole time. Awesome little thing. I picked this up, I think, I can't remember where I picked it up at, but it was under $10, maybe $7, something like that. I'll put a link in the description below if I can find them. But new technology that I hadn't seen before. It may have been out for a while and I just haven't seen it, but I love the idea. I love the concept. Talk about convenient. Instead of trying to go and dig out the candles or the flashlights like we're used to, you just go over there and click the lamp bulb, and it's still going for you. So great item right there. That's one. The second one is a lantern here. So if you've watched my other videos, you saw the last two battle boxes that I received 2 lanterns, which I was not too happy about. 1 month I received a lantern, the next month I received a lantern. I wasn't too happy about getting 2 lanterns in a row. Come on, mix it up some. But either way, the first lantern I have not had a chance to test yet. It's D-cell batteries, and maybe I'll try and pick some up today, but I just don't keep D-cell batteries around. I don't have a use for them much, and so I haven't tested that one out. This one is a rechargeable. So this is electric, you charge it in a typical phone charger type of a setup. And I really do like this lantern. For this particular, I mean, you can use it for camping, hiking, but it's also just good to have it around the house if your power goes out. It's got a low setting. So on the low setting here, it says low power. It'll run for 100 hours. I haven't tested that, so I don't know, but it's a very low light, but in real dark environment, it actually casts off a good bit that you can see. And then it's incrementally, you can just turn this thing up. It's kind of got that nostalgia, old railroad lantern feel. You just turn it up. On the full strength, I want to say it says it goes up to 3.5 hours for that. So another great product. This is made by Barebones, and I am actually pleased with this one. I got it from Battle Box. I'll throw a link in the description below if you're interested in it. But the biggest, so cool. I love lanterns. I actually have quite a few oil lanterns as well, specifically for prepping purposes or just, power outage purposes. But this was just the find of the week for me. Truly impressed by this idea. Such a simple concept that some very smart person figured out and brought it to the market, and I'm glad to have found it. Let me know if you have any other products that you've come across in this general realm. I love finding these kind of new products that fit well with prepping as well as survival and tactics, camping, outdoor adventure type stuff. And I'm always happy and surprised to find some kind of new find like this. So if you know of any others that I haven't mentioned or something like that, please share them in the comments. I'd love to check them out myself. I'm always checking into this stuff. That's it. Pretty short video today. I don't have a lot on it. Just want to introduce you to these 2 cool products, and love to hear your comments if you've had any experience with these or others as well below. Until next time, safe prepping.